Welcome to NIC, your in-force data and policy services partner. In this video, you'll learn how to spot universal life upsell opportunities where term policies or small coverage amounts no longer fit client needs. Through NIC's policy grid, you can position permanent insurance as a long-term wealth and protection tool. Navigate to the life policy screen to get started. Add the following filters to find your upsell opportunities. Active policies. For the product, any term product will do. And finally, death benefit amount greater than $1 million. The death benefit amount threshold is more of a suggestion, and you can select a threshold that's more suitable for your book. Next, you also might want to consider filtering by the policy effective date so that you only include policies that are older than 2 or 3 years, but that's really up to you. Once you've narrowed your search down to your liking, click on the checkbox to select all records along with this underlined message. Then click Add to List. Make sure to give the list a name and a purpose so that you remember why you created this list if you ever need to come back to it later. Once you're done, click Proceed, and your list will be created. So now you can actively manage these opportunities from your list. Overall, using NIC's policy grid helps you identify universal life upsell opportunities so that you can guide clients toward coverage that better fits their long-term needs. Thanks for being a NIC subscriber. Be sure to watch our additional videos to learn about how NIC can have a positive impact on your business.